Morgan & Miller Jewelry is marketed as an online jewelry brand offering elegant designs, premium-looking pieces, and attractive discounts that can make the collection look like a luxury bargain. The website creates the impression of a high-end jewelry boutique. But the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, not every online jewelry store is automatically unreliable. Some newer brands are legitimate businesses that are still building their reputation. What it does well: elegant-looking designs. The jewelry is presented with professional photos that create a premium appearance. Easy online shopping. The website is typically simple to browse and place orders, where the concerns start appearing. Luxury branding doesn't guarantee premium materials. This is the biggest issue. Attractive marketing doesn't automatically mean solid gold, sterling silver, or high-end gemstones. Product photos may look better than the real item. Studio lighting and editing can create unrealistic expectations. So, should you buy from Morgan & Miller Jewelry? Short answer: proceed carefully. The designs may appeal to you, but don't rely on the branding or discount alone. Check the materials, return policy, and independent customer reviews before placing an order. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.